Hello, and welcome to another update video about Rune. Yeah, Rune is performing nicely and is following here currently the primary scenario. Primary scenario is the blue wave count that can send us up more directly higher into the region of $8 plus. I wouldn't even rule out $12 plus eventually if really the blue wave count is being followed. Blue is basically a very aggressive bullish wave count that formed a wave 1 here in November, a wave 2 pullback, another 1-2 setup, 3, 4, 5. Basically, we're now still in this larger third wave, okay? And within that third wave, we had our 1, 2, 3. Wave 4 is a bullish pennant, and then a wave 5 is unfolding now. Then we should still get a larger 4, 5. That would be an even larger 3, 4, 5. So, yeah. If this is really playing out, we should see some more extended upside movement on the Rune chart. We most recently had a support area on the chart that was triggered, the price respected it and actually turned around. And now we are going to zoom in a minute and take a look at what's going on the 1 hour chart. But also bear in mind there's the yellow wave count as well. In the yellow count we have a slightly different count. And this move of the October lows to the upside was all of a third wave. And we came down in an A wave. We're now moving up in a B wave, which is still possible. We haven't broken above previous highs. And now next we could come down in a C wave. That would be very much in line with, for example, the Solana chart. Yeah, but even here we are in a still unfolding bullish scenario. And the price could then still, after that fourth wave, rally in a larger fifth wave. That is very much in line with Solana, to be honest. But until the blue wave count is not invalidated or we don't break micro support, I'm going to focus on that. But it's always worth to know what will happen if micro support levels break. And that would then be the yellow count. Again, that would not be necessarily bearish, but it would mean that likely a much deeper pullback is unfolding that can send us into the region around $3.14 to $4.68. With the 38.2 retracement at $3.75 being the ideal target. Now, if we go to the 1 hour chart and take a look at the detailed price action, you can see that the price turned around where it needed to. And of this area, yeah, the price could really now have started to move in this small third wave. That's the third wave of a larger fifth wave of, again, an even larger third. So it's quite bullish. However, we have micro support. So if this is really what's going on, then we don't want the price to break below 588. That would be the first indication that something different is going on. And that different, or that different scenario could be this yellow count, that we really only move down in an A wave. This here is a B wave. It's a high B wave, but we haven't had a sustained break above the previous high. Can without a problem be a high B wave. And then the C wave down could be next, but I don't know that until I see a break below 588. That the yellow count is playing out would then also be further confirmed with a break below $5.17, which is the 27th of November low, and even further confirmed with a break below $4.87, which is the low that was formed on the 21st of November. As long as we're holding micro support, this would just be some kind of a sub wave 4 within this blue third wave. So it should still eventually go higher. The thing is, in a wave 4, we don't want it to break below the 50% retracement of the third wave. And that level is at $5.88. So as long as that level is holding, there is nothing that would stop the blue wave count from unfolding. Obviously, be aware that we've got here those that previous swing high here that was made in November, and therefore there is a little bit of structural resistance here. It's also Fibonacci resistance, the $6.38 level here. Yeah, so naturally a level that slows the price down a bit. If we push higher, okay, so basically pushing above yesterday's high, or actually was it today's high? Yeah, so if we break above today's high, which is at $6.65, then it should take us next to $7.25 and then $8.21. Yeah, that's my update about Rune. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter. Here you can find additional content every single day. You can find the links for those in the video description. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.